Episode 2, do students actually have to file taxes? Topic, filing requirements. Campaign.
Hashtag TaxTalkGenZ.
Welcome back to
Hashtag
TaxTalkGenZ.
where we make taxes make sense.
If you're new here, we're breaking down the financial stuff nobody explains to students.
And today, we're doing something different.
We said last episode that you could call in with your questions.
And someone actually did.
Hello, this is hashtag TaxTalkGenZ. What's your question?
Hey, hashtag TaxTalkGenZ. I'm 15 and I worked part-time last year. My parents told me they handled the taxes in the family, so I wasn't sure if I even needed to do anything. Do students have to file taxes too?
Ooh, that's a good one.
That's actually a really good question.
Because I think a lot of students assume the answer is just no.
Let's start with this. Being a student does not automatically mean you don't file taxes.
And being a dependent doesn't automatically mean you don't file taxes either.
The real answer depends on something way more important.
Income.
Filing requirements are based mostly on how much you earn, what type of income it was, and your dependency status.
Note how student isn't even a part of that rule.
If you earn income from a job like W-2 wages and made over the filing threshold, you're required to file.
Now, let's talk about the dependent part, because that's where people get confused.
Being claimed by your parents just means they can claim you on their tax return.
It does not cancel out your responsibility if you meet filing requirements.
You can be claimed and still file your own return.
Here's the part students don't realize. Even if you didn't make enough to be required to file,
If federal income tax was withheld from your paycheck,
You could be owed a refund.
but you don't get that money automatically.
you only get it if you file.
Okay, rapid fire. Worked summer job and made $2,000?
Probably not required, but check for the refund.
Made $15,000 part-time?
You likely need to file.
Didn't work at all?
Probably no filing requirement.
See how the answer keeps changing?
That's why the question isn't just yes or no.
So, to our caller, do students actually have to file?
Some do.
Some don't.
But every student who earned income should check their filing requirement.
The worst thing you can do is assume.
Because assuming could mean missing a refund.
Or ignoring a legal requirement.
Next episode, we're breaking down the actual forms that determine everything. W-2s and 1099s.
Because if you don't understand those,
You don't understand your taxes.
this is
Hashtag TaxTalkGenZ,
where we make taxes
make sense.
Keep calling in with your questions and we might feature you.